Good morning children. In your previous class we studied about the arithmetic mean and the range. You just recall those children. See, arithmetic mean equals to sum of all the observations divided by number of observations. It is also called as the average, or we can call it as the mean also. Mean equals to sum of all the observations divided by number of observations. And you also studied about the range. Range is the difference between the highest and the lowest observation. It is the range, children. Now today we will study about the mode, which is a form of a representative value, that is mode. Today we will study about the mode. See, as we have said, mean is not the only measure of central tendency or the only form of a representative value. See children, mean is not the only measure of a central tendency or the only form of a representative value. There are other representative values also. See, for different requirements from a data, other measures of central tendencies are used. See, you take one example, children. See, the owner of a ready-made dress shop says the most popular size of dress he sells is the of size 90 centimeter. See, here the owner of a ready-made dress shop, he sells the dresses, but the most popular dress he sells is of the size 90 centimeter. Here observe that children, the owner is concerned here about the number of shirts of different sizes sold. He is selling different sizes shirts, children, but the most popular size dress sold is of a 90 centimeter. Here he is however looking at the shirt size that is sold the most. This is another representative value for the data. The highest occurring event is the sale of size 90 centimeter. This representative value, it is called as the mode of the data. See children, here the dress of size 90 centimeter is the highest sold dress. So in this case here 90 centimeter is the mode of the data. Now we can define the mode as mode of a set of observations is the observation that occurs most often. The mode of a set of observations is the observation that occurs most often. Means the mode here is the most frequently occurring term. For that value we call it as the mode of the data. You take one example here, children. Find the mode of the given set of numbers. Find the mode of the given set of numbers. The numbers are 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2 and 4. Here first you arrange the numbers, children, with the same values together. Here solution, first you arrange the numbers with the same values together. Arranging the numbers with the same values together. Now we get here 1, 1, another one is there here, next 2, 2, 2, 2 and 3, 4, 4. Now see children, which is the number that occurs here most often? You can see here 1 occurs 3 times, 2 occurs 4 times and 3 occurs 1 times and 4 occurs 2 times. From this you can conclude that here 2 is the number which occurs most frequently. So we can say that 2 is the mode of this data. Therefore, mode of this data is 2 because it occurs more frequently than other observations. Now see here children, here we find the mode of a small data. Now we will see how to find the mode of a large data. Mode of a large data. Now see children, putting the same observations together and counting them, it is not easy if the number of observations are large. See children, in previous example we saw that here only few numbers have been given here. If the numbers are more, it is not easy to count them. So in such cases we tabulate the data. Now tabulation can begin by putting the tally marks and finding the frequency, as you have already did it in the previous class. Now you take one example here children. Following are the margins of victory in the football matches of a league. Now take the margins of the victory in the football matches here children. Here 1, 3, 2, 5, 1, 4, 6, 2, 5, 2, 2, 2, next 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, next 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, next 1, 4, 2, 1, 5, 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 1 and 2. Now you have to find the mode of this data. Find the mode of this data. Now solution, children. Here let us put the data in a tabular form. Let us put the data in a tabular form, children. Here you make 3 columns here, children. In first column, margins of victory. Margins of victory. Next, tally bars. In next, number of matches. Number of matches, children. Here, see, margins of victory here. Write down the numbers here, children. 1, next 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You make the column here, children. 3 columns you have to make here. First one, margins of victory. Next, tally bars, and in the third column, number of matches. Now first you have to write down here the margins of the victory. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 here, children. Next you draw the tally bars. Now see, 1 occurs how many times here? See, 1, 2, next 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 1 occurs 9 times, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 6, 7, 8, 9. Number of matches are 9 here. Next 2. See, 2 occurs how many times here? Here count here, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 2 occurs 14 times. Draw the tally bars here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Number of matches are 14 here. Next 3. 3 occurs how many times here, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 matches. Next 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 matches. Next 5. Count 5 here. 1, 2, here 5 occurs 3 times. See, 1, 2, 3, 5 occurs 3 times here. 1, 2, 3. 3 matches. Next count 6 here, children. 1, 2 times. Here 6 occurs 2 times. Number of matches are 2. Now total here, children. Total you count here. See, you will get 9 plus 14 here. 23. Next 7, 30, 35 plus 3, 38. Next 40. Total you will get here 40. Now looking at the table here, we can quickly say that here 2, it is the mode, since here 2 has occurred here highest number of times here. Compare all these children. Here 2 occurs highest number of times. Thus most of the matches have been won with the victory margin of 2 goals. Here 2 is the mode. 2 is the mode. Since 2 has occurred highest number of times. Here 2 has occurred highest number of times, so 2 is the mode here. Thus here children, most of the matches have been won with the victory margin of 2 goals. Thus most of the matches have been won with the victory margin of 2 goals. Take another example children. Find the mode of the numbers 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6 and 8. Here solution children. You have to find the mode of the numbers here. Here observe here children which number has occurred highest number of times. Here see 2 has occurred 3 times, 3 has occurred only 2 times, 4 has occurred 1 time, 5 has also been occurred 3 times, 6 2 times and 8 only 1 time. Here 2 and 5 both occur 3 times. Therefore here they both are the modes of the data. Here see children, 2 and 5 occur 3 times. Therefore they both are the modes of the data. Understood children? See, till now we studied about the mode and also the mode of a large and a small data. See, mode means it is the observation which occurs most frequently. The mode of a set of observations is the observation that occurs most often. And also we solve the examples children. You solve these all. Next we will continue in our next class. Thank you.